Hello YouTube viewers, I've received a request from one of our viewers on how to lock cell references. In this particular example we have sales reps, we have sales units, and we want to know what a 10% or 15% increase would be, what the assumption is. So in this particular example our D1 cell will hold the assumption of a 10% increase for sales units. Now to create the formula you would click the cell next to Jake here, and always starts with the equal sign. You would take the total sales units that he did and you would times it by our assumption cell, which is D1. And as you can see, 3.8 is 10% of 38. But what we need to do is we need to know what the total number is. So in order for Excel to do this calculation, you would put quotation marks around the original function, and then you would add the total sales units. So right now you can see 41.8 would be a 10% increase from 38 units. Now if we take this formula and drag it through the rest of our employees, it's not adding up correctly. If you hit the F2 button, you can see that the assumption cell, which should be D1, is now D2. This is the way Excel calculates formulas as you drag and copy and paste. It goes all the way down with all the employees. Let's go ahead and get rid of the other formulas and go to our original one that we made. In order to lock the D1, you would put the cursor next to D1 and then hit the F4 button. As you can see, dollar signs appear next to the D and also next to the 1, which indicates that that's a locked cell. Now if we copy and paste throughout our full employees, you can see now that it's calculating correctly. Our D1 cell, if we click in Adam's assumption, we click in his box, you can see that the formula reads the $D, $1, so that is calculating correctly. If we check you can see that the 10% is taken into account. As we look at each cell, you can see that it is also locked correctly. Go ahead and check another one. You hit the F2 button and it'll go ahead and show the formula. What's nice about this is you could change your assumption. So instead of 10%, we could put in 15, and you would see the total number of units that they would have to sell to meet that assumption. You could go all the way up to 20 or whatever have you. But this tutorial is a quick and easy way using the F4 key to lock a particular cell. If you find this helpful, please let me know by contacting me at mrquestionsanswers@gmail.com.